Alright, so this is me using my homemade rivet setter for the first time on an actual piece of armor that is intended to be used. I've got my mini anvil down there, just a solid piece of round stock, and with a divot in it. And I gotta find that divot, stick that on there, put this on, hold it in place, and go. Get up on it like this, I think. Starting. I'm not having the success that I had with it last night. Sure why. I guess I'll keep trying, see what happens. Maybe I'm just not holding my mouth right. Yeah, it's starting to work. So you can see, well, you might be able to see, that's it right there. It's painted over. Let me pull this one out. Uh-oh. Stuck in there pretty good. I'm going to have to camera it out. Be right back. It's got to go in the other direction. I just stuck it back in that direction so that it would stay. It's kind of long. I might have cut that one a little bit too long. I better go make another one. Alright, let's try the second one. Alright, I got lucky and went right into my little divot. This guy on there. And bring it around. Oh yeah, that was pretty quick this time. A lot easier. So that's 2 down. 12 more to go.